Harper.
You're Harper, and what are you doing today?
Opening these.
Opening these? These are Fingerlings Minis.
We get the mini fingerling, we get a ring, and we get a bracelet.
Oh, that's your fingerling. So that's the big fingerling?
And that's the little fingerling.
And that's the little one. What does that one go on? Do you remember what it went on?
A pencil.
You could put them on a pencil.
This is like the mommy, and this is like the baby.
So we're going to go through, and in each one, there's a card that shows you all the different fingerlings that are possible. And there's some that are really rare and some that are not so rare. And that one was a rare one that you already got. So we're going to, and then there's some that were super rare. What were the super rare ones like? What did they have?
Sparkles?
They had sparkles. What is that?
A list.
That's the list. Whoa.
I got another one with a heart, and it's sparkly. A heart ring. I don't think it's like kind of like a purse for the mommy. Hello. I'm going to let. Look. And now the next one. Another one. It's a different one. It's a heart bracelet. And another purse for the mommy. And then the fingerling. I got a unicorn I wanted. And it's sparkly. Now a unicorn. This will go perfect with the unicorn, Mommy. Okay. I feel like this is going to be a dragon or a panda or another unicorn. Like the ones that I kind of want. It looks like another one of those. Yes. Ew, it's a monkey. But I like the pink. And here's its case. And here is a same bracelet that is purple. Forgot. I want to put it over there. Now let's do this one. I feel like this one might be one of the ones I want. I feel like that. I'm taking pink. It's a sloth. Look, I really like this one. It's so sparkly. I really want a dragon. I want to try and find a dragon. And another purse. And I feel like this might be one. Another green one. Here's another one of those. Oh, I like this one. It's purple, yellow, and pink. And pink eyes. It has a banana on the side. I feel like this is going to be a purse. No, it's not. Now let's see what this is. Another of those. And a heart bracelet. And a monkey that's yellow and blue with a blue heart on the side. and the bracelet. We have another crystal one that is green. Let's see the last one. It's the monkey. Oh, the monkey dropped. It's green and has pink hair and has a banana on the side. And then he has blue eyes. Put this right there. Here, I am still looking for a dragon. Oh, he popped right out of her thing. Oops. It dropped another one of these. Another one of those. And one of these. And some of these. Look, this one is blue, has blue eyes. It's purple on the body and has pink hair, has a pink tail, and has a bunch of hearts on the side. And has another green bracelet with a leaf. Now the last one that's over there. Okay. This is kind of like this one. They all go perfect together. This one has a purple bow on the side, a pink and orange tail, pink body, and orange on the arms and legs, and a little bit of orange hair. Now let's see what's next. And this plastic's next. And then here's the last two things. Banana purse. A pink heart bracelet, and one of these. Let's find what is in this one. Oh, this one has a pink sparkly tail, pink hair, and a purple body. And legs and arms are purple with sparkles. And a bell purse or ring. And a leaf bracelet that is blue. Let's throw the rest in the trash. So we found this. Let's see our little Mickey first. And then let's see our bracelet. Bracelet is blue with a leaf again. A pink bell purse. And a pink sock with a green leaf with pink sparkle hair. With blue eyes, I think. Let's see. No. Now, this one. I hope I get the dragon. Oh. Oh, I wanted this little one for the monkey mommy. This is a little monkey with a dark hair and a dark bow and a dark tail. And we have pink dark body and head. There's the ring. I guess the ring. Yes. I really hope there's a blue one with a blue leaf. One of these again. And a giraffe with white hearts and a pink body and green eyes. Is there anything else? Is there anything else missing? Hope this last one is a dragon. It's not. Monkey with a pink tail, pink hair, and an orange body. That's all that I have today. These are all my bracelets and rings. My favorite is this one. And these are all the animals. These are the glitter ones. And these are the non-glitter ones. And these are the listers.